Two tiny puppies, just 1 week old, abandoned in a cardboard box, left in a park on a scorching 90-degree day. Weak, helpless, and alone without even their mother to care for them. An animal control officer found them just in time, rushed them straight to the ICU at this age. They need milk every few hours, but we didn't know when they last ate. We gave them puppy formula, and they drank like their lives depended on it, because they did. Every heartbeat, every breath became stronger. They may have started their lives abandoned, but from now on, they'll only know love. Like, share, and subscribe to help more little lives like theirs.